Good morning. So today is the 14th of May, Thursday, 2026. And as I've established in the previous videos for this week, my bias for the week is still bullish, where which today also I'll be expecting some bearishness on on gold and silver, or either gold or silver, depending on how the market claims itself. So basically, like I said, the overall direction is bullish, but if I see some breakdowns on the H1 time frame, I might consider selling. So, for example, if price takes out these lows, price takes out these lows, which is price takes out these lows, I might consider selling silver. Okay, I should be on the H1 time frame. Cool. So if price takes out these lows, I should consider selling silver today. But as it stands, price is still like that would be the reason why I'll be selling, right? So if price takes all these lows, then I might consider selling silver for today. And for the bullish perspective, it's just best to also like wait it out because the way price is currently forming, for price to give me a full bullish bias for today, like a bullish bias that I would engage in, I would most likely want price to give me a value swing, a fractal swing, and then after the close or once price breaks above this level, I might consider taking a buy trade from there. But overall, from the H4 perspective, we are still very much bullish, and of course, we could take a buy off of this level and just wait it out. So like I said, using the H4 time frame, the weekly is still very much bullish. So on the side of gold, I took a loss yesterday on gold based on the recap I made yesterday. I said once we have a break of structure below these lows, we would be looking for sales and try selling around there. But it did not work out because it did not give me my RR. My usual RR is between 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. So that failed. I mean, the sales failed, right? So right now on gold, I will still be keeping my fingers crossed. So my sell bias for gold actually also would also materialize from price taking out this low. That is when my sell bias will materialize from. So for now, it's gold has been in a little bit of a consolidation phase as well. So it's best to just wait it out. But if you look at it from the H4 perspective, we see these buys were from Fibonacci when you consider the whole swing and following the H4 flow. But the H4 here isn't as clear as it is on the H4 here isn't as clear as it is on what's it called on silver. But of course, we could see this engulfing, which is a very bullish sign, and price has been playing in and around that level. So a buy from there can also lead us all the way high. But what is going to invalidate that buy idea? What would invalidate the buy idea is if price takes out these lows that we had knocked out and closes below it, we know, okay, fine. The buy idea has been invalidated. But as long as price, as long as price remain consistently as it is right now, I might just consider buying. So if price comes back all the way, in fact, I should have had my first buy from here and then, but this is currently just how price is setting up. And yeah, this is just like an update for today. So we just watch how price is going to develop for the rest of the day. So have a wonderful day and see you later today while we talk about tomorrow's prediction and also prepare for the new week.